Honestly, 2025 so far have been a roller coaster. Tariffs, rate hikes, you name it. But growth stocks, they're still shining bright. Today, we're diving into the 5 best US growth stocks for the next 2 years, backed by killer fundamentals and massive trends like AI and healthcare. Before we start, a quick heads up. Investing's risky and past performance isn't a crystal ball. Always do your own research or chat with a financial advisor. All right, let's get to the good stuff. Here's why these stocks are my top picks for 2025 and 2026. First up, Nvidia. If you've been following the markets, you know this company's the king of the AI revolution. In Q4 2025, Nvidia crushed it with 69% year-over-year revenue growth, even after a $4.5 billion hit from US chip export restrictions. Net income, up 26%. Analysts like Angelo Zeno are projecting 52% revenue growth in 2026 and 22% in 2027, thanks to Nvidia's 70 to 95% grip on the AI chip market. Here's the deal. Nvidia is not just about GPUs anymore. They're pushing into software, edge computing, and even self-driving cars. The AI infrastructure market's expected to hit $92 billion in 2025, and Nvidia's eating that pie. Sure, the forward PE's around 40, which sounds steep, but when you're growing like this, it's justified. CFRA's got a buy rating with a $165 price target. If you're chasing the future, Nvidia's your ticket. Next, let's talk Palantir. This AI and data analytics company is killing it in both government and commercial spaces. In Q4 2025, they posted 39% revenue growth. US commercial revenue jumped 71%, and government revenue was up 45%. Analyst Janice Quek sees 36% growth in 2025 and 31% in 2026, driven by platforms like Gotham and Foundry. What makes Palantir special? They turn messy data into actionable insights for clients like the Pentagon and Fortune 500 companies. I was blown away when I saw their $178 million US Army contract for AI systems. The stock's up 80% in 2025, but with a $50 billion digital transformation market ahead, there's room to run. CFRA's buy rating and $152 price target back that up. Third on the list is Broadcom. This semiconductor and software giant is quietly becoming an AI powerhouse. In fiscal 2024, they reported 44% revenue growth, with AI-related revenue up 46% in their latest quarter. Analysts forecast 22% growth in 2025 and 21% in 2026, with AI chip sales growing at least 60% annually through 2026. Broadcom's networking and custom chips are critical for AI infrastructure, and their VMware acquisition has supercharged their software side. Plus, they pay a dividend, rare for a growth stock. CFRA's buy rating and $290 price target make this a no-brainer for AI exposure with less risk. Now let's shift to healthcare with Intuitive Surgical, ticker ISRG. These guys dominate robotic-assisted surgery with their Da Vinci systems. The global market for robotic surgery is still tiny. Less than 5% of eligible surgeries use robots, so the growth potential is massive, especially with an aging population. In 2024, they delivered strong results, and analysts expect double-digit revenue growth through 2026, fueled by AI and new system placements. Intuitive's moat is huge. Hospitals don't switch systems easily, and their $4.4 billion in free cash flow screams stability. Yes, the PE's around 80, but for a 20-year growth story, it's worth it. The Motley Fool loves this one, and so do I. Rounding out our list is MercadoLibre, the Amazon of Latin America. Operating in high-growth markets like Brazil and Argentina, they're forecasting 31% revenue growth in 2025 and 24% in 2026. Shares are up 377% over 5 years, thanks to their dominant e-commerce platform and fintech arm, Mercado Pago. Their network effect, more buyers, more sellers, makes them unstoppable. With $22 billion in trailing sales and a recent bank charter application in Mexico, they're just getting started. Analysts expect EPS to hit $47.92 in 2025, and Goldman Sachs rates it a buy. This is your emerging markets play. So why these 5? Nvidia, Palantir, Broadcom, Intuitive Surgical, and MercadoLibre are riding unstoppable trends. AI, healthcare, e-commerce with wide moats and stellar management. Sure, 2025's got risks, tariffs, rates, but these companies are built to last. The S&P 500 Growth Index is up 8.5% in 2025, and these names could outpace it. Don't just take my word for it. Dig into their financials, check analyst reports, and see how they fit your goals. Comment your top stock pick below. Hit that subscribe button for weekly investing tips and news, and check out our playlist for more. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building wealth the smart way.